Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of August is Becky. She has selected this mood board as our inspiration piece. Now I'm showing you the 3 papers that I selected from my kit to document this older photograph of my father back in 1992, I think. And then I am also using some inks and stamps and my Creative Memories border punch system. Next, I selected the lighter mint tone-on-tone geometric pattern design as my foundation layer. Next, I grabbed a piece of scrap daisy white cardstock and I'm tearing it, and I will use that as my photo mat. Then I will bring out the darker green pattern paper and I will use my Creative Memories border punch that is like the book edge punch, and I will punch that out and then trim it down to be just a little bit larger than my matted photograph. Then I will bring out the darker geometric mint pattern paper and I will cut that in an oblong square. Then I'll bring out that white and gray stripe paper from Maggie Holmes, and then I also cut that in an oblong square, and I will layer all those pattern papers behind my matted photograph. All right, since I'm a little bit ahead of myself, let me just remind you, I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies YouTube channel links listed below, so please go check them out. Also, go check out our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below as well. If you would like to play along, snap a photograph of your kit and each layout that you create and upload it in the August album. And you will automatically earn points to be entered in to possibly win a $25 gift certificate. All right, so back to my layout. All right, you see my first oblong square. Next, I will bring in that striped Maggie Holmes paper and trim it oblong just a little bit larger. Then I take my leftover darker green paper and I tuck it underneath that paper layer. Then I bring in the black tag and then this square journaling spot, which I use it as a layering piece. Now you see I have my stencil, and then I'm going to use the distressed ink in Evergreen Bow, and I'm going to ink that little round foam up with that ink and press it through my stencil, and it gives like a continuous cross or like star design. And then once I am done with that, you will see me bring in my red rubber stamp that is kind of grungy, uneven lines, and I will ink that up using the intensive black ink from Close to My Heart. So this is where I'm inking up that red rubber stamp. I do not remember where that came from. It has been in my collection for a long, long time. And this just adds some more visual interest to the background. I just love it. And then once I'm finished with that, I had still some more of that dark green paper left over, and I cut it in 3 tiny thin strips. They're probably about 1/8 of an inch wide, and I layer them up over there to the left of the photograph. Now I'm getting out my embellishments, and it's mostly Pink Fresh Studios. And the 2 lines that I'm using as far as the embellishments are Some Days and out and about. And so here I'm just trying to figure out how I want to layer up clusters for this memory that I am documenting of my father. So my dad is sitting on his temporary front steps to their home where they had purchased 5 acres in Oregon, and they were just so excited to get this piece of land. And I happened to be up there visiting. They had not yet moved in. The house was still under construction. But anyway, I just snapped this photograph during my visit at that time, and now I am documenting that memory, and it is going in an album all about my dad. All right, so as I was telling you the story behind the photograph, you can see that I have been busy embellishing this layout. Now for my title. I'm using the word explore. I know that you've seen a minute ago that I had the word love my home, but I changed that title underneath the photograph or to the left of the photograph to love my land. Then in the very end, you will see I will take the word explore and move it down. So it's love my land, explore. And then now I'm just pointing out here that I used Nuvo drops in those 3 colors. So of course it is a mint color, and I think it's called Caribbean Ocean is that mint color, and then the white and the black. And then of course I added some splatters using the Dilution shimmer sprays, and I know I am not staying up with what I am pointing out on my layout. And then I added 2 photo corners to the top of the layout to bring your eye into the center. All right, this layout is complete. I appreciate you all. Be sure to get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Go check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies channels and our Facebook group site. We'll see you next time. Bye.